can hear the message loud and clear. I'm gonna make it. I can see my shot is here, so now I'm gonna take it. Gotta get up, get out, time to stand up, get loud, time to rise up off the floor. And I'm stronger than ever now, can't hold me down no more. I'm waking up, 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 I'm waking up. So I'ma do it right now.
Birthday, Erin! Ayun alam mo naman na sobrang, wait lang. Wait lang po muna.
I'ma do it right now. I'ma do it right now. Oh, right now. I'ma do it right now.
Happy birthday, Erin. Wish ko sa'yo na sana lumaki ka na may takot kay Lord. And alam ko sobrang sa'yo mo ngayong araw na to kasi wish mo na bigay namin sa'yo ni Daddy. And always remember na lahat ng bagay na meron tayo galing kay Lord. And don't forget to pray every day. Mahal na mahal ka namin. And I hope pag napanood itong video na to, in the next 5 years, 10 years, maalala mo na kung gaano kami nag-effort, kung gaano ka namin kamahal, and hindi kami magsasawa na ibigay sa'yo yung mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo. I love you, ate!
Happy birthday! Right now. I'ma do it right now. Oh, right now. I'ma do it right now. Yeah. I've been at the bottom.
Ate Erin, ang wish ko lang naman sa'yo, makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral para paglaki mo, makamit mo lahat ng mga gusto mong mabili sa buhay. Pagkadating ng araw, magkaroon ka ng sariling pamilya. Matustusan mo yung mga pangangailangan ng mga anak mo. Tsaka wala namang problema sa pagiging ate mo, mabait ka naman eh. Yun lang, maraming salamat. I love you, anak. Happy birthday.
Cause I had enough of the sitting and waiting.
Happy birthday na anak. Sana lumaki ka, mabait.
And I'ma do it right now. Yeah, I'ma do it right now. I ain't giving up.
Happy birthday, Erin. We love you.
I'ma do it right now. I'ma do it right now. Oh, right now. I'ma do it right now.
Sana lagi kang mabait kay Lola, sa lahat ng Lola at Lolo. Yung family nyo is very good for me. Sana magtuloy-tuloy. Baby 7. Tapos sa pagkabata. But anyway, Erin, I love you. Andito lang si Mama. Whatever happened, andito lagi. Always sa inyong lahat.